Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. So we have a smart case or case for smartphone, 3x stability for andobil. Here's some information about the printing of this packaging and the information here. Pretty simple box. Open it up. There's the case itself. Comes with a microfiber here. Comes with a card. Tell your friends and family, share your experience, and connect with them. If you're not happy, you can also contact them. So here's the case itself. Semi-clear. Kind of see my fingers, right? And then here we have a stand that's integrated with the magnet here. Here's my iPhone. I have a protector on top of my camera, so it might not fit. Let's see. Oh, nope, I am wrong. It does fit. There's a previous case, it didn't fit, so yeah. So now if my phone is inside, as you see, you can have like that, or you can have like that. It snaps back, nice and flush. You can still use your Magsafe compatible accessories. And there you go. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.